कमर्शियल कॉम्प्लेक्स किराए पर मौजूद बीजापुर के ऐतिहासिक इब्राहिम रोजे के आगे मोती गुम्बज सिविल हॉस्पिटल रोड पर एक विशाल खूबसूरत माहौल और विशेष डिजाइन से तैयार कमर्शियल कॉम्प्लेक्स और रहने के लिए मकान आपकी हर सुविधा के अनुसार व्यापार और परिवार सहित रहने के लिए अंडरग्राउंड 22x38, ग्राउंड फ्लोर 25x38, फर्स्ट फ्लोर 27x38 दुकान और रहने के लिए 3 बेड वाले 12x12 रूम, 12x12 किचन रूम, 18x18 का बड़ा हॉल, 6x6 बाथरूम, 2 मास्टर बेडरूम। आपके आराम का खास ख्याल रखते हुए बनाए गए इस कमर्शियल कॉम्प्लेक्स को रेंट पर लेने और कारोबार को आगे बढ़ाने के ख्वाहिशमंद अधिक जानकारी के लिए 9972681884 8147332713 या दिनार फर्नीचर के मालिक मूसा मुल्ला से संपर्क कर सकते हैं।
स्वागत है आपका बी न्यूज नेशन में। मैं हूं आबिद हुसैन शेख। इंशाल स्कूल में साइंस एग्जीबिशन। जामिया मस्जिद के एचबी कॉलोनी इलाके में स्थित इंशाल स्कूल में साइंस एग्जीबिशन का आयोजन हुआ, जिसमें बच्चों ने साइंस के प्रति अपनी दिलचस्पी का मुजाहरा करते हुए मॉडल्स बनाकर एक्सप्लेनेशन करके सबका ध्यान आकर्षित किया। बच्चों के प्रेजेंटेशन पर स्कूल मैनेजमेंट और टीचर्स ने स्टूडेंट्स की कड़ी मेहनत और लगन की सराहना की। देश के आने वाले भविष्य को संवारने वाले बच्चों ने इस दिन को यादगार बना दिया। स्लम इलाके में शिक्षा के प्रति उम्मीदों का दिया जलाने वाले इंशाल स्कूल के मैनेजमेंट को इनकी कामयाबी पर बधाई दी पेरेंट्स और शिक्षण विभाग के जिम्मेदारों ने।
Pagli madam to felicitate the Kaisina madam, the judge for today's.
Hello sir. Welcome to Inshal School. I am Abdul Qayyum and he is my best friend. We are studying in 8th standard. As you know, today in our school science exhibition is there. The title of our project is Mechanism of Breathing. So the environment.
Sir, see, this is the model of respiratory system. It is the system in human body that enables us to breathe. The act of breathing includes inspiration or expiration.
ये निज़ाम है जो इसके जरिए हम सांस ले सकते हैं, इसके जरिए हम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड छोड़ सकते हैं। Government respiratory system is a serious main of a project we call them the mechanism of breathing, that is alveolar.
I'm Aisha and she is Asia. We are studying in 8th standard. The title of our project is Rotation and Revolution of the Earth. As you know, Earth is the only planet in the solar system on which life is active. But Zakia, what makes Earth so special? Which factor helps to life organisms?
The earth is a beautiful and intricate object. It has water, air and soil that have enable life to grow. Out of energy to get corner, it has winds to blow and season and change, and days and night and dawn.
Yes, day and night. So let me explain you how the day and night happens. Actually, said two things are there: rotation and revolution.
Rotation. The movement of the earth is actually the sun. The rotation of earth is actually 4 hours of complete rotation. The rotation of earth is causes days and night. When the earth spinning one side faces, the sun has day. Away from the sun is dark and has night.
Now about revolution. Let's see here. The movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. Welcome to the Inshal School. I am Aisha and she is India. Our project is solar system. Our solar system is an amazing place. Not only is it up to 8 planets. These are the 8 planets in our solar system. Let's see what makes our solar system. Planet and others are moving around. So the first planet is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun and also first planet of the solar system. Venus. It is the second planet and it is known as the evening star. Earth is the third planet. Earth is the only one planet on which life is known to exist. Mars. It is fourth and largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter. It is the fifth planet and largest planet of the solar system. Saturn. It is the sixth planet and second largest planet in our solar system. It has permanent ring system. Earth is 365 days on
Earth's rotation is
Earth is the third planet
and operates one question arising into the earth is from instrumentation box. Instrumentation is for the observer. It appears that sun is all
Yes, sir. Circulation in 1628, William Harvey discovered that blood circulates in the body. He showed that blood flow from the heart in certain muscles
It is a tissue of an animal consumed by mammals. It is a major source of provide mass, nutrition and energy. Cardiculation causes many problems with the living plants and
First of all, photosynthesis is the combination of two words, photo means light. Synthesis means the perspective we can say that photosynthesis is the process by which plant and other things make food. Photosynthesis is a multi-step process that requires sunlight. Thermodynamic is low and energy. This process is used by planting.
Hello sir, welcome to the channel. I am Ravi. We are studying in 6th standard. The title of our project is Let's Outside. Soil is a natural source of many valuables. Soil is essential for the survival of all living life. All living things and breathing players. Let's Outside. Thank you for My name is Satyam Jafar. I am studying in the title of my project is Rain Harvesting. My name is Sadiq and he is my practical Kashif. We are studying the title of our project is Simple Machine. The machine is that yogis make our work easy and better, and there are the examples of so many types of simple machines. First lever, if we use rods and support like this, it is called lever. See here to exit is lever used to lift or move heavy objects. Come to the exercise school. I am Hanfa and she is Tanya. We are studying in 6th standard. The title of our project is Characteristic of Air. Air is equally important for living organisms because they survive and just important. Air is all around us but we can't see. Air is Earth's atmosphere. It is mixture of many gases and dust particles. Let's see.
First of all, I want to thank the Almighty for success of this event, and secondly, I want to these parents to make this day memorable day. And you know as well, this is the Inshal school, and here science exhibition is there. For this exhibition, especially 8th standard students doing well, and they did hard work. For they are the backbone of this school because they support, because it is only the higher class in our school. Now we are taking the permission for 9th also. And all students are doing well, and they did so much hard work and make this event successful. And the teachers also very much supportive here. Because of the teacher only this event becomes successful, and the management also, and the teaching staff and non-teaching staff also behaving well, and because of this behavior only this event became successful. Thank you so much.
आज यहाँ पर जो इंशाल स्कूल की जानिब से साइंस एग्जीबिशन जो मनाया गया है, ये देखकर बड़ी खुशी हुई कि यहाँ पर जो गरीब तबके के जो बच्चे हैं यहाँ पर बड़े अच्छे परफॉर्मेंस किए। यहाँ पर साइंस के बहुत अच्छे मॉडल बनाए गए। मकसद यह है कि यहाँ पर जो मनाने का मकसद यह है, ये चेयरमैन साहब और इंशाल स्कूल की कमेटी का मकसद यह है कि बच्चों में जो सलाहियत छुपी है वो उजागर होना, और जो बच्चों में जो सलाहियत छुपी है वो बाहर आना, ये मकसद है स्कूल का। तो यहाँ से बच्चे जो हमारे साइंसदान बने, अच्छे क्या है शहरी बने, ये हमारा मकसद है। मैं रियाज तमदड्डी, CRP उर्दू स्कूल नंबर 5।
माशाअल्लाह, अल्लाह के फजल करम से इंशाअल्लाह स्कूल दिन ब दिन तरक्की करता जा रहा है। बच्चे और असातिज़ा, वालिदैन, इन तीनों की मेहनत से बच्चे इम्प्रूव हो रहे हैं। अल्लाह की ज़ात से उम्मीद है ये बच्चे आइंदा चलकर अच्छी से अच्छी डिग्री हासिल करके गवर्नमेंट का ताउन करेंगे। खुदा हाफिज़।
I have been a judge for science exhibition, and really I am very pleased to see the budding scientists, and I congratulate school management for arranging this wonderful program wherein students, the budding scientists, what I said, who are foundation of nation. मैं कहता हूँ अगर कोई देश तरक्की करना है तो उसके फाउंडेशन को बहुत स्ट्रांग बनाना है। द फाउंडेशन ऑफ नेशन आर द स्टूडेंट्स। उनको एक साइंटिफिक सोच डालने के लिए ऐसे प्रोग्राम्स बहुत ज़रूरी हैं। मैं इंशाल स्कूल को मुबारकबादी देता हूँ, एंड आई एम रियली वेरी हैप्पी टू सी द प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, where students are knowing about the water pollution, students are knowing about the air pollution, and students are knowing about circulatory system and the different facilities available in the science which can benefit mankind. And such students will definitely in a future will become a scientist. I wish Inshal School as well as all their students be come up there in life as a doctor, as an engineer, as a scientist, as an administrative officer. And these students need to be supported by teachers as well as parents. Once they get a good support from entire society, definitely they are going to be successful in life. Thank you. My name is Muhammad Ilyas. I am a motivational speaker and career guidance facilitator. Thank you.
I am feeling very happy to see all the children performing so well here. Inshal School, where we are getting the preparation for both the worlds, Deen and Dunya. Children are so well educated, and top of that they are so much good in communication, and so they are presenting the project so wellly, and we are very happy and we congratulate the school for their progress and the growth. Thank you.
Myself Abdul Razak Alimatti. I am the English teacher here in Inshal School. The Inshal School was started in Haji Hassan Dargah with a very short, very small strength, and today in a very short time we have reached to this our own building, and it was constructed in a very short time, and yet 2 stories are to be built. We are very thankful to the chairman Dr. Samshuddin, the secretary Maulana Abdul Rauf Chattarge, the HM of the school Asif Karnal sir, and all the parents and all the teachers who have contributed for the success of Inshal School. Alhamdulillah, Inshal School provides education for both the worlds, Deen and Dunya. So today we have conducted the science exhibition, and Alhamdulillah it was a great success. All the projects, the working models like the circulation of the blood, respiratory system, revolution of the earth, rotation of the earth were made by the students with the help of their parents and teachers, and the presentation Alhamdulillah was in a very lucid way, and also the non-working models like the air pollution, land pollution, the means of transport, Alhamdulillah they were also made by the students with the help of the teachers and parents, and well explained by the students. Alhamdulillah, all the credit goes to our staff, especially the science teacher Hafsa madam, his brother Musa sir, and the HM Asif sir, and all other staff, and not to mention overall the chairman Dr. Samshuddin and Maulana, the secretary of the school Maulana Abdul Rauf Chattarge. Thank you. I wish madam.
Myself Anjumi Namdar from 8th standard Inshal School. Alhamdulillah, Inshal School has given us a great platform to education for the both world. Today we have conducted the science exhibition, and we have experienced the real joy of learning through doing and the real joy of knowledge. Thank you.
और खबरों के लिए देखते रहिए बी न्यूज़ नेशन।
आपकी सुविधा के लिए हमने बनाया बी न्यूज़ नेशन ऐप, जो आप गूगल प्ले स्टोर में जाकर डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। इस ऐप में वीडियो न्यूज़ देखने के साथ साथ आप देश भर की न्यूज़ पढ़ भी सकते हैं, कन्नड़ा और उर्दू ज़बान में। तो जाइए प्ले स्टोर में और अभी भी न्यूज़ नेशन ऐप को डाउनलोड कीजिए देश भर की खबरों को देखने के लिए।